Hello YouTube, how are you today? I have here a beautiful black paper bag from Coach, and inside is a box of wallet. So this is my first wallet from Coach, and I pick up this size of a compact wallet because I think this is the most versatile size for me, and it fits in most of the small bags. In a box here, there's this envelope with the receipt. It retails now for 650 in Malaysia, and I bought this from the boutique. So they have here authenticity card, and they mentioned that the warranty claims is for 1 year. Okay, let's put everything back in the envelope here and back to the box. Okay, let's take a closer look to the wallet. So this is a Wyn Small Wallet in this horse print. This wallet has a snap button. Let's look at it. Very nice. Okay, let's just take out this paper and take a look inside. I'm just gonna remove some papers here, and this wallet is a coated canvas on the outside, and the inside is leather. Now the feel of the leather is very smooth and nice on my fingers. I feel I feel the weight of the wallet is also, it's very light, and to be honest, I think it is comparable to LV Victorine wallet. Okay, anyway, let's remove this thing from the bag. Just slowly there. Okay, now let's test the movement of the zip. Open and close. It's so, it's smooth, and it looks like a little bit stuck over there, but that's not the zip. I think that is the position of the handle of the zip. Okay, they mentioned that this has 7 cards slot, but it actually fit for 10s because it has there, and then on the inside, oh wait, what's that? Hold on. Okay, another tag hidden in the slot. Okay, this is the detail of the wallet, I guess. Wow. All right, let's just put back these tags in the box as well. Now come back to the wallet. A very nice feel of this wallet, and I'm gonna test with some cash and cards and some coins. Okay, first the cash. So we're in Malaysia, so this is ringgit, nicely aligned there, and let's put inside. Nicely fit, and still has some room on the top there, so it's not so deep, but also it's not showing out the cash there. Now I have euro here. I just want to see how it fits inside, because euro size is bigger than ringgit, and it fits perfectly. It doesn't stick out the cash as well. Very nice. Okay, I'm just checking if there's something there because it doesn't feel right. Oh, okay. There's this plastic left. All right. Still checking if there's something left inside. Okay, anyway, yep, the movement of the zip, smooth. Now let's put some cards. And you see the position of the card is, how do I say this, horizontal, which I think it doesn't make the wallet bulky at all. And even if it's full with the cards, it will looks evenly filled. It doesn't looks full only on one side. Okay, I successfully put all the cards here without blurring it. I mean, just use fingers. Okay, nicely fit. Okay, now I have some coins here. Let's put them in. I think it's about 2 ringgit. Yeah, that's enough coins, right? Okay, look at that on the side. All the cards is just nicely stay inside the wallet. Nothing comes out. Very nice. And you can put the cards in front here. Okay, I'm gonna use this wallet for some time and give it a full review. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.